Do you want to know how to create jewelry that sells? Here is one of my best-selling creations. In a situation when everything around goes absolutely unpredictable, the best way to spend this time is not on the internet surfing and watching negative things and reading all the news, but in learning new skills. Everything will pass, and this time as well. Let's prepare ourselves for a better future by making our reality creative and fulfilled with the beauty of crystals and beads. And so let's start your perfect journey from beginner to advanced, from zero to hero, and jewelry maker who will be able to create perfect and exclusive jewelry pieces. When I create a collection of the bags, they sell really fast. These bag brooches get tons of attention and questions of how to create it. I am so happy to share with you my knowledge about creating these bags. Don't miss the opportunity to make your everyday brighter and more meaningful by meditating while you create bespoke pieces. Link to the course in the description. In this course you will be able to learn how to create this kind of bag brooch from scratch. You will find all parts, how we work with sequins, with crystals, how we sew on these dangle beads and fur, how we finish the edge, how we connect all parts together, and you will see how we create metal base for our wings to make them flexible and stiff. Let's start.